Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can pair your Android phone via Bluetooth to your Mercedes-Benz car. So this method is applicable for all the newer cars which supports the Bluetooth and Mbux interface, right? So for this method, you don't need any cables. You just need to enable the Bluetooth on your phone. So if you haven't already, just enable the Bluetooth on your Android phone. I have already enabled the Bluetooth, right? And then what you need to do is I'm going to put this phone down here, and then I'm going to go to the MBUX interface, and here I'm going to search for the phone option. So you can see this phone option here. So what we need to do here is just press on this phone icon here, and then you will see these menus here. If your other phone is connected to the MBUX interface, you will see this kind of interface. So in this case, you just need to press on the phone 2 option, right? So just press on phone 2 option, and here you will see connect device option. So click on connect device. So here it's going to show you this kind of interface, right? So it's going to show you my devices and all the devices which are currently connected. You can also see this option which says connect new device. So we are going to press on the connect new device here, and this MBUX interface is going to search for the new device, and in few seconds you will be able to see your device listed here. In my case, my phone is Poco, so this phone is listed here because I have enabled the Bluetooth on my Poco phone, which is an Android phone, right? So I'm going to select this option, and then you can see these two device selection. So I'm going to select one of these options from here, and then my phone will be paired with the MBUX interface on my Mercedes-Benz, right? So from here, you can see the phone, and then from here, I will be able to access all my contacts, right? So whatever contacts I have, I will be able to access all those contacts from here. So now my device is paired. So now I can make phone calls via this phone icon. I can also play music via Bluetooth. So I can go to media and then play the music and do many other things which are possible with the Bluetooth, right? So this is how you can pair your Android phone via Bluetooth to your MBUX interface. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.